How to transfer anything to computer to your Android device. For that you need a USB cable. So insert your cable to your phone. Once you insert, then you can see pop up windows on your laptop or PC. But before that, open up your control setting, and under USB device, make sure you are selecting transfer file and Android Autos or USB transmission. Now go back to your PC, and for example, this picture I want to transfer to my phone. You see I have this picture in my phone. So now copy any image or video, anything, for example this image. Now go back to your my PC, and you need to go your, then press on internal, and under this setting here you can see DCIM. Press on DCIM. Now go to camera, and now paste it here. So once you paste it here, this is the image. And now let's go back to my mobile. Let's open my phone now, gallery. Then you have to go your album. If you go to recent, then you can see this image. So that's it. This is how you can easily transfer. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.